Hello teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I'm good, thank you. What's your name?
My name is Pijung.
Pizung. How old are you?
I'm fine.
And where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Are you ready?
My teacher. Thai. Jelly bear. Ball. Robot. Raw. Bye. Car. Boat. Tree.
What is? Plane.
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 Plane. A lot. Scooter. Scooter. Ram. Puppy. Marble.
Very good. Swing.
Tree.
Swing.
Tree. Line. Seesaw.
Very good. So tell me, what do you have?
I have a toy. I have a jelly bear. I have a ball. I have a robot. I have a dog. I have a bike. I have a car. I have a boat. I have a tree. I have a
Plane.
tree. I have a lot. I have a Jojo. I have a scooter. I have a ram. I have a puppy. I have a marble. I have a
Swing.
I have a light. I have a seesaw.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.